If you are looking for vacuum cleaners deals, here's a collection you've got to see. At any time you like, just click this banner and get real-time deal on your favorite products. Number 1. Trendy Zip with a 1000W motor has a powerful suction that removes deep embedded dust and dirt from all the upholstery, by Eureka Forbes. Number 2. Quick Clean DX 1200 watt vacuum cleaner with free dust bags, another great product by Eureka Forbes. Number 3. By Karcher. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. Giving you the dual benefits of high power suction and blower in one package. The Forbes Super Clean is ideal for daily cleaning needs. Thanks to the portable feature, the vacuum cleaner can be carried from one place to another conveniently for cleaning, by Eureka Forbes. Number 5. Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner with Blower Function, by MICRONIC. Number 6. By Black+decker. Get these great online offers now. Click this banner for real-time deals and updates. Number 7. By Eureka Forbes. Number 8. By Black+decker. For more info about these great online offers, click this banner in the corner. Number 9. By Bissell. Number 10. By Eureka.